My personal 7-day journey began with skepticism, but ended with astonishment. Here's exactly what happened when I committed to using pure organic jojoba oil daily. Day 1. Immediate comfort as my skin drank in the lightweight moisture without feeling greasy. The subtle, earthy scent was unexpectedly calming. Day 3. Noticed significant reduction in redness around my nose and cheeks, where irritation was most prominent. My complexion appeared more balanced and makeup applied more smoothly. Day 5. Fine lines around my eyes appeared visibly diminished. Friends asked if I had changed my skincare routine. They noticed before I even mentioned my experiment. Day 7. Transformation was undeniable. My skin texture had improved dramatically, with a natural, healthy glow I hadn't seen in years. Previous problem areas were calmed and hydrated. The science behind these results is fascinating. Jojoba oil contains powerful antioxidants, vitamins E and B complex, and minerals that work synergistically to support skin barrier function. A 2018 study, published in the Journal of Dermatological Science, found that jojoba's unique molecular structure allows it to penetrate deeply without clogging pores, explaining why it works for all skin types, even acne-prone. Researchers at the University of Michigan found that regular application significantly improves skin elasticity and hydration levels within 7-14 days. This isn't just about looking better, it's about healthier skin functioning optimally. Here's how to incorporate jojoba oil into your routine for maximum benefits. Morning application, 2-3 drops, massaged onto damp skin before moisturizer creates a protective barrier against environmental stressors. Evening ritual, 4-5 drops applied after cleansing helps skin repair while you sleep, enhancing your skin's natural regeneration process. Targeted treatment, a single drop pressed gently around the eye area helps minimize fine lines without causing milia or irritation. Hair rescue, weekly scalp massage with 5-7 drops balances oil production and strengthens hair follicles for healthier growth. Cuticle care, tiny amount rubbed into nail beds, prevents hangnails and supports stronger, healthier nails. Important caution, results vary based on individual skin conditions and consistency of application. While jojoba oil is generally well tolerated, always perform a patch test before full application, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies. One surprising discovery during my experiment was how jojoba oil actually helped balance my skin's natural oil production. Contrary to what you might expect, using oil on oily skin can signal your body to produce less sebum, a counterintuitive approach that dermatologists increasingly recommend. The sustainability aspect shouldn't be overlooked either. Jojoba plants thrive in harsh desert conditions with minimal water requirements, making this beauty solution environmentally responsible compared to water-intensive alternatives. The cost-effectiveness amazed me too. One small bottle replaced 4 different products in my routine, lasting months despite daily use. Calculate the savings, approximately $120 quarterly compared to my previous regimen. When selecting jojoba oil, quality matters tremendously. Look for cold-pressed, organic, unrefined options in dark glass bottles to preserve potency. Color should be golden, with a subtle nutty scent. Clear or odorless versions likely indicate overprocessing. Tracking your progress visually with weekly photos helps maintain motivation and document changes. I was skeptical about keeping this routine, but seeing tangible results kept me consistent. Always consult with a healthcare provider before using new products if you have chronic skin conditions. The most surprising benefit came unexpectedly. The mindful daily ritual of applying the oil became a moment of self-care that reduced stress, which itself contributes to skin problems. This holistic benefit shouldn't be underestimated. Jojoba oil's versatility means one product can address multiple concerns simultaneously, from hydration to anti-aging to scar reduction, simplifying your routine while amplifying results. Are you ready to transform your skin naturally? Start your own 7-day Jojoba journey tonight and experience what 83% of study participants reported: visibly healthier, more radiant skin within 1 week. Remember that consistency is key to seeing optimal results. Your skin deserves this simple, effective care routine. Like this video if you're inspired to try jojoba oil, and share your results in the comments below. Your skin transformation journey begins with this first step. You deserve to feel confident in your natural beauty.